Hi everyone, good afternoon. Again, our daily Sudoku practice continues. Welcome today in a weekend edition of Saturday, December the 23rd, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles, the Medium Sudoku and the Jigsaw Sudoku. I will solve this one tomorrow evening. In this newspaper, look, December the 23rd. In this newspaper, we have in the puzzle page 6 extra puzzles. We have 2 Sudokus with 3 stars, 1 killer Sudoku, 2 binary puzzles 10 by 10, and a tectonic. For tomorrow we have an additional with 7 extra puzzles, letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku, 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the binary puzzle. That's all for the coming 4 days, because on Monday it's Christmas Day, no newspaper. Tuesday we have another Christmas Day. We have 2 Christmas days in Holland. Also no newspaper. So what I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the puzzle page and the additional, and also in the Friday edition. Alright, Medium Sudoku. Let me start with this one. This one has 27 printed digits, and it will be number 7670. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 27, I've told you. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if I can manage this. So let's get started. Well. Let me check. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column 3, in the last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, from the row between. Only place left for 2 should be there. I need a 1 here, I need a 1 there. I need a 9 here. And I need a 6 here. Alright. Okay. 1 9. 1 9. Alright, 7. Come on. Need a 6 there. 4 and need a 4, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes here, 4 in this row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above that row. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. At 8, the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 in the last column. 9 in the column next to that column. Only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing, 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, no 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Two missing numbers in this row. Four numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7. 8 is missing and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. The other pair in this big square are the numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Two numbers left in this column. Four numbers: the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3, 4. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. I need a 1 here. And I need I need a 2, 8, and a 5. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 in this box. Here, 5 in the last column, no 5 in that box. One box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So two numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4, the 5, the 6 and 7. 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Two boxes. Okay. Need a 1 here. And I need the 7 there. Need a 4 here. 4 in the third row. 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4. Should be there. Need a 4 here. Okay, need a 6 there. Two numbers left in this second column. 4 numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Oh, I need a 6 here, need a 6 there. And we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this third row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. So the numbers, the 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers: 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, and 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. And look, we have a 1 and a 5 in the middle column. No 1 and a 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. And then we need an 8 here, need a 1 here. These 2 should be the 2 and then, yeah, 9, no, 2 and the 3. Yeah, 2 and the 3 cannot fill this yet. Alright. I need a 2 there. And I need a 2 here. Come on, these 3 missing numbers in the middle column are the numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, and 8 and 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9. And look, we have 6 and 7 in this row. No 6 and 7 in this box. 6 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 9. Okay. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Okay, 6 and 7. Then 2, 1, 5, and I need a 6, 7. Need a 1 here. Yeah, need a 1 here. Okay, I need a 5 there. Come on. Need an 8 here also. 6, and I need a 4. Yeah. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are reserved for the 4, 6, and the 8. Look, we have 4, 6, and 8 in this column. So no 4, 6, and 8 in these 2 boxes. 4, 6, and 8 goes in those 2, 3 boxes. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 6, 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 to 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 7 in the first column. 7 in the second column. So the third column only 2 places left. The 7 should be here. Oh, there we have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. 1 is missing. 2 is missing. 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. 5, 2, 1, and the 5 we have here. So here can be a 1 and a 5. The 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this first column for number 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the last column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and 8. We have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 4, 6, 8. 6, 8. No. 3 and a 4. 6 and a 7 in the middle column. We have a 7 now in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 6 should be there. So the 4 and 8 are left in this big square. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. 3 to 4, we have a 4 now in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 8 and 9, we have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above the only two places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow, told you. Need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.